So, what's up Facebook? What's up YouTube? Kung sa ko man to i-post, mag-i-stream ulit tayo. Maglalaro tayo ulit ng Mobile Legends. Babawiin natin yung natalo natin nung nakaraan. Magsa-sound trip muna ako. Habang bagal lang net eh. Tinitingnan ko kung mabilis pa ba eh. Bugoy na koy. Yeah, yeah. It's a wonderful day. So just chill and relax your mind. Mamaya na tayo mag-sound trip. Maglalaro na tayo ng Mobile Legends. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Mamaya na tayo mag-sound trip. Ito na naman tayo sa laron to. Makikita nyo sa aking mga mata ang ganti. Yung nakaraan, for entertainment purposes lang yun. Ito, totoong laban na to ng buhay. Papakita ko na ang tunay na galing ng isang kalbo. Game. Yung mga mid lane na ako, mid lane. Yung mga nagbi-mid lane, hindi marunong mag-rotate eh. Pero pwede rin naman ako mag-roam. Basta maayos yung mid lane.
Your team is banning.
It's a wonderful day. So just chill and relax your mind because you're rolling with the best. You're rolling with the best, babe.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
Oh, sayang.
First blood.
See? Matitino ang kakampi ko ngayon. At matinong gameplay din. Putang ina, sayang. Naglalag kasi ako eh. Bawi tayo.
Sure, there are ugly demons in the abyss, but there are also plenty of
Oops! Shit oh, ang lag oh. Nag-i-spike check.
Enemy has been slain.
Pili ko nandito yan eh. Diba? Ops. O, panay-panay na naman ang pag-aano mo dyan. Nandyan yan. Top lane. Kailangan, pag matino yung kampi ko, at pakitaan niya ng mga malulupit.
and I will lead you to victory.
Nakita ba ako? Wala, nag-recall yata.
Has been slain.
To join my fan club.
Sorry guys.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Fuck! Nag-grip!
I only have time for handsome.
Launch attack.
Ang ina. Patay mo yan.
You have slain an enemy.
Lalag ako, pasalamat ka. Partida pa yun. Ops.
Request back
Sayang!
lane.
Hindi naman kasi ako pro mag-Selena eh. Kaya medyo mabagal pa yung pagdadash natin. Ingat lang.
Getting a chance to join my fan club.
Pok. Stun yan. Nice one. Patayan, Cyclops.
Double kill. An ally has
Patayan oh.
slain an enemy.
Shit! Huwag mo papatay niyan.
Sure, demons in
Turret
the
has
abyss.
been destroyed.
But they are also great pals like me.
Ano yun? What the hell?
Our turret is under attack.
May natamaan ako? Ano, natamaan mo pa yun? Pero na ako kalupit. Ayan pa, isa pa yan. Patayan. Patayan, sugulin nyo na.
Killing spree.
La 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 la. Shit! Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Sure win naman na eh.
Initiate
Diba?
retreat.
Okay lang, sure win naman na.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
Mega kill. Initiate retreat. Shut down.
Patay na yan.
Killing spree.
Oh, patay ako. Ito. Fuck.
Down. You have slain an enemy.
Nice one. Catch and shoot. Hey! Unat niyan eh.
Slain.
Yun yung Uranus, ang kunat yan. Oh. Pero walang makunat sa 5. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Uy! 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 Ah!
Spree.
Ay, hindi.
Down.
Shit.
There are ugly demons in the abyss. But they are also
Slain an enemy.
like me.
Ito pa.
Double kill.
Uy! 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 Ang ina naman. Ang ina mo, Dark Shadow. Patay ka dyan. Anong ginagawa mo? Tagila naman, Dark Shadow. Don't judge the book by the cover.
I only have time for handsome
Launch
guys.
attack. You have slain an enemy.
Dayro to.
Launch attack.
This little lady is the winner of the abyss.
Request backup. Your team destroyed the turret. You have slain an
Bok.
enemy. Double kill. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Shit! Goblin! Uy! Tatlo. Sarap tamaan yan, no?
Why does the moon seem
Sana umabot ka. Nice one.
Double kill.
Nice one! Diba? Ganyan ako kalupit pag Selena.
Victory!
Loh! Ba't ganun? Bakit silver lang?